The winter season is back and now it's time to make some winter veggies. So I have taken here some florets of cauliflower and I have cut here some potatoes. And now I'm going to add around about 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, and into it I'm going to add my cauliflower and the potatoes here, and I'll fry it till it's soft. Now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of haldi powder and half a teaspoon of salt. We'll fry it for a couple of minutes, and then after 2-3 minutes cooking in high flame, now I will switch the flame to low heat, and then I will cover it so that my veggies are parboiled. And after a few minutes, see, my veggies has been fried well and it has been boiled. See, the potatoes has been boiled well. You need to boil it parboiled, around about 80% boiled. Now I'm going to transfer this into a bowl, and in this pan I'm going to add some more oil because cauliflower needs a little bit more oil, so I'm going to add here around about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add here cumin seed or jeera and fry it till 1-2 minutes, and then I'm going to add here some half inch size of juliennes of ginger here and some slitted green chilies. And when it starts popping, at that time I'm going to add here a medium-sized tomato chopped and saute this till the tomato is mashy. I will cover it so that it becomes mashy, the tomato becomes mashy, and after 2-3 minutes cooking in slow flame, my tomatoes has been mashed well. And now I'm going to add the dry masalas, haldi, red chili powder, dhania powder, and I'm going to stir fry this all masalas nicely till the nice aroma comes out. After that I'm going to add some sliced capsicum here, and I will toss this well with the masala so that masala coats well with this. And when your capsicum, a nice aroma is coming out, I'm telling you, just make this once and try it. And when my capsicum is just slightly sauteed, at that time I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt, nicely beaten yogurt. And remember, your flame is slow at this time, and nicely after 2-3 minutes then add the cauliflower which we have been fried till 80%. All the veggies have been cooked till 80%, and now I'll mix it well together. And now I will add salt to taste and mix all together everything properly. And now I will add around about 1/4 cup of water here. I have washed the curd lump from my bowl and I have added here the water. And now after a few minutes, then I'm going to add here sugar, round about half a teaspoon of sugar, and cover it again and cook it till it's completely boiled. And see, it has been completely boiled well, and everything has been, the masala has been coated well. It is the best to have with roti, with dal, rice, whatever you like. And add some handful of chopped coriander leaves on top, and switch off the gas and serve it hot. Believe me, it's the best easy way to cook the cauliflower, and it's so tasty. Just have it once and let me know in the comment section how did you like it. And do not forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye, take care.